Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Rhombus single segment 25 grit medium bond grinding plate. Now this for us is our top seller. We've been selling it over a decade. They have a great wear rate. They do phenomenal stock removal, basically cut through anything. Work wet or dry, heavy machines, light machines. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 7-inch, 175mm T-Seg concrete cup wheel. This is a great wheel for removing any type of buildup on the concrete surface, from glues to paints to any other type of buildup material. Very fast, great life, great stock removal, great scratch pattern. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium double button 40 grits with the tapered edges and medium bond. Now this is considered premium because it has a very heavy concentration of a great synthetic diamond. This is works wet or dry. It has a phenomenal life, under a penny a square foot. It can cut through anything. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters with the wings made for machines like HTC or whomever has drive plates that accept that style of diamond. Don't be married to a proprietary system. Open yourself up. Make your toolbox your toolbox. Save money by the end of the year. Have a great day. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 75mm Lustor polishing pad. This is a dry pad. It gives you very high gloss DOI numbers, no resin transfer. You get a high range, cost under a penny a square foot. Message me now. Jordan with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium half-bar shredders. Now this tool is made for removing buildups like cure and seals, epoxies, glues, paints. It does a great job. These are great scratch pattern, no rogue scratches. It has a great life. Message me now.